Ano yung indicative timeline nyo dito sa impeachment? Halimbawa, Justice Committee, plenary, anong timeline? Nag-lapse na ba yung 10 days?
Hindi pa
na binigay
yata.
nyo sa, hanggang kailan ba yung magla-lapse? Tapos meron kayong break sa March 21, di ba? So, ano yung pwedeng ipahiliwanag nating timeline sa impeachment sa ating mamamayan?
Maglalapse po yung notice to answer ng atin pong Pangulo pagka po dating ng darating linggong ito. So, dapat by Monday, may makuha na pong answer ang House Committee on Justice. No? At yun po, pagka meron pong sagot, yung complainants, endorsers will be given a few days to give the reply, and the Vice President can then give her rejoinder. So, yung po nga timelines na tinitingnan mo namin to do the determination of sufficiency in grounds and yung hearing proper, I think April 8th or April 18th, yung po nga pinag-uusapan po naming mga petsa. Doon po sa pagsisimula na po ng hearing proper.
Ang tingin nyo, kung gano'ng katagal yon yung hearing proper?
Ano naman ho, matatapos po kami by around the middle to the end of May. Para matapos po itong mga pagdinig po na ito at magkaroon ng committee report and so we can go to plenary ready to vote on it.
April
By June
18.
siguro, can we say na by June,
Yeah.
ready na yung nyo, for a vote by the House?
I think we would want to be able to finish it at the level of the committee bago po matapos sa sine die ang Kongreso po. No? So hopefully by around June, we will have to vote on it at the level of the plenary na po.
Congressman, can I just clarify, April 18 applies even if she doesn't respond to the NTA, the notice to answer? And was it notice to what is?
Notice to answer. Pero, hindi. Siyempre, we're still assuming that the Vice President will answer by Monday. No? So, in the event, for example, that she does not, I think ma-abbreviate po yung proceedings. No? Kasi there is no reason for the complainants to reply and for a rejoinder to be submitted kung walang answer. No? So, mas mapapabilis po yung proseso pagka po ganun.
So kung before hindi yung yung vote nyo, at let's presume na mag-vote ang House to impeach, makukuha na yun ng Senado before the adjournment, hindi.
I think that is what the House Committee on Justice would want to undertake. No? Dapat matapos na everything within the House bago po mag-adjourn sine die ang Kongreso.